How to pin someone on Snapchat on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our another video of app guide. And in today's guide video, I will show you how you can pin someone on Android on the Snapchat app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you might actually want to do is you want to simply make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store and in the search box typing in Snapchat. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've updated Snapchat, I'm going to open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. By default, it is going to give you a list of suggestions of your camera snap, and I will go ahead and first of all go to my chat page, and you have to simply go ahead and then open up the chat to whom you might want to pin. For example, let's say I want to pin a certain person or the profile over here. I will simply long press on that particular chat and you'll see all of these options, and at the very top you'll find this option, pin this person as your #1 best friends, and so on. So you could go ahead and do that as well if you want. You can see it says #1 best friend, subscribe to Snapchat, and so on. This is basically one of the new features. Or you could go to chat settings and you can see pin shortcut to home screen. So all you have to do is tap on pin shortcut to home screen and then tap on the add button and then tap on the done button, which you see, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see that particular person has been pinned to our profile. Similarly, you can go ahead and then repeat the same process for all of the other people whom you might want to pin. For example, you can see individual chats, tap on chat settings and select pin shortcut to home screen, and that way that person will also be added to your home screen as well. And this is how you can pin someone on Snapchat on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.